Why is Gizmo always out here with me, man? What's good, Grizzly Gang? It's your boy Grizzly Money. I'm back with another daggone video. Man, y'all really want to co-start? It's about 20 degrees outside. I haven't started my car up in about a week because it's snow. We're gonna see how it sounds. So I'm gonna go ahead and get behind you. And let's go ahead and get it. You see I took some snow because I ain't want to mess up my my panoramic roof. You feel me? I ain't got no roof, y'all. Let's get this all to start. Gizmo right there. He knows about to happen because he hit a boot. Oh. That's a cold start. Yes, sir. Just wanted to warm up, man, because I haven't been starting in a minute. Yeah. Different tone, too. Where you at? Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Gizmo big as crap, y'all. But he's well trained, though. Yeah, I see him. He's 9 months right now. He's about to be a year and a few months. So, y'all bullies out there, yeah, he's gonna be over for studs. So, got to get him embark tested, health, all that health stuff. Make sure he's good and functional, and yeah, he's gonna be on the market. See how his baby is, and I am gonna do, I don't know about maybe the third one. I don't know, it all depends on the female. I do want to put back deal. I do want to get one of his sons, and I'm gonna get a female from somebody else, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. But I just want my car to, oh yeah, look what I did, y'all. Look what I did, Grizzly Gang, before I go in. So I was driving from work last night. It was no sliding, everything was good until I got into my complex, and it was some, you know how like they got like the people on the snow pile, they push like the snow over. Well, they kind of did that like on my side, turned into my complex, and everything was good. But look what it did underneath. My bumper is good and all. It all cracked my bumper a little bit. Oh, it broke all the plastic underneath. Dang, y'all. I'm jacked. Gets me all in my shot. Get out of here, boy. It took all the plastic off. Dang, man. I thought it wasn't that. Okay, I can fix that. Cause it just hit it hard, and I was like, dang. When I pulled up, I saw it, I was like, oh man. So yeah, that's what happened. So I'm gonna let her warm up actually. I just want her to get warm. She hasn't been started up a minute. I don't want her to be, and she gotta get washed. Of course I'm not driving her right now. I might have to drive her though, because this is the only car. Because you know my wifey's car is down. Hopefully sometime in February I can get it done. And this is all pushing me back, you guys. So I'm trying my hardest to get this pro charge on this thing. But a lot of stuff is pushing me back, but it's okay. Things work out, you know. Whatever God has planned for me, that's what I do, you know. All right, let's get in this house, Gizmo. Let's go. So I'll see y'all in a few. Hold on. Let me eat, and I'm gonna get back out. Wouldn't be a Grizzly Marty video if I didn't do a cold start. So let's go ahead and get this cold start. $300 gang, like, comment, and subscribe. Grizzly gang. Grizzly gang. Boy, your boy is back at the gym. I ain't playing no games. Gotta keep your mask on all the time when you in the gym. You know what I mean? But I'm with my guys. You know, I got Edge's Elbow, and I got Tony Lowe. Yeah, we in here. It's copyright, so it's my, I probably can't even show it. That's 265? 65. All right, 265. About to hit that thing right now. Tony about to go, then I'm gonna go. Alright, y'all saw I didn't hit that jank. I'm gonna hit it next time. Hey, Tony missed it though. Yeah, forget y'all, man. It's been a long time since I've been in the gym, about 6 months. I'm trying to get back into it, man. It's cool. But I'll be back real soon, man. It's just crazy. Y'all see me sweating though. I'm used to hitting heavyweight and it's like different. I'm not able to hit that heavyweight that I want to. But it's okay, it's a start. And you gotta start somewhere to get back to where you need to be. So, gotta get back grinding.